Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the presentation and selecting the slide or slides you want to change. Once selected, click Background in the top toolbar to open the dialog. This is faster than digging through menus. It gives you immediate options for color or image. Make sure you pick the correct slide thumbnails first, because changes can apply to one slide or all. When the background dialog appears, you're ready for the next step, choosing a color or uploading an image. Now choose whether to use a solid color or an image. If you pick color, click Custom to enter a hex code or tweak opacity for consistency across slides. If you choose image, upload from your computer, drive, or paste a URL. Make sure the image resolution suits presentation screens. Once uploaded, use Fill, Fit, or Center to control how the image fills the slide. This prevents unwanted cropping. After previewing how it looks, you're ready to apply the finish by clicking Done to change only the selected slide, or Apply to All to update every slide at once. If you need consistent branding, open Slide Edit Theme and change the master slide background so layouts inherit it. If the image appears blurry or cropped, make sure the file is high resolution and try a different fit mode. Roop loading often fixes quality issues. If colors shift unexpectedly, check Slide Theme, Overlays, and remove any semi-transparent shapes that can alter appearance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.